1.5-inch hoses. There's a fire hydrant every 1,000 feet. If you're a first responder, fireman, law enforcement, military, militia, National Guard, you should have this in your car. This connects to the fire hydrant. This is our outstanding quality attack fire hose, 75 feet long.
Wow, there it is. Look at that valve. 275-foot. Beautiful. Beautiful hoses. Excellent. Nozzles. Adjustable nozzles. I mean, these are professional quality hoses. Well, thank you very, very much, Ace Fire Preparedness. I can hook up to the hydrant at the bottom of my driveway.